Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to show Microsoft Edge tabs when snapping from one side of the screen or multitasking on your Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa settings, ang next step, yung pinakauna lang yung system. And then dito sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung multitasking, ito siya. Okay, so i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa multitasking, ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung show tabs from apps when snapping or pressing keyboard shortcut at press down. Okay? So, dito sa right side, makikita mo rin dito yung kanyang options. So, click mo lang tong arrow na yan. And then, nandito yung kanyang pwede natin i-select. So, meron ditong 20 most recent tabs, 5 most recent tabs, or 3 most recent tabs. Kung ayaw mo naman, so, click mo lang tong don't show tabs. So, kumbaga ito sa gadgets natin or smartphones, ito yung tinatawag na recent activity. So, dito sa PC, meron din mga kaibigan at may mga options dito na pwede natin i-select. Alright, so pwede ka mag-select dito ng 5 or pwede mo i-select dito 20 or pwede naman 3, okay, 3. Alright, so ganun lang po ka-simply on how to show Microsoft Edge tabs when snapping on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.